In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Lovable app, step by step. We'll start right inside your Lovable workspace. Open the project you want to share with the world. Make sure everything looks the way you expect in the editor, because what you see here is what your visitors will experience after publishing. A quick scan of your key pages and links now can save you a lot of back and forth later. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the editor and click the Publish button. This is your launch control. You can use it anytime you want to push updates, so remember where it is. Next, you'll be prompted to set your subdomain. Lovable suggests a name based on your project title, and you can keep it or customize it. Keep your subdomain short, clear, and memorable, like mytravelapp.lovable.app. Stick to lowercase letters and hyphens, avoid special characters, and aim for something that reflects your app's purpose. If you're sharing this link publicly, choose a name you'll be comfortable promoting, and don't include any private or sensitive information in the subdomain itself. Before deploying, configure your SEO and metadata. Start with the site title. This is the text that shows in the browser tab and is often what search engines display as the headline in results. Use a concise, descriptive title that includes your app's name. Then add a description. Think of this as your elevator pitch for search engines and social previews. 1 or 2 short sentences that explain what your app does and who it's for usually works best. Avoid stuffing keywords, focus on clarity. Finally, upload a favicon. This is the small icon that appears in the browser tab, and bookmarks. A square PNG or ICO file works well, ideally with a transparent background. A 32 by 32 or 48 by 48 pixel version is a safe bet. Make sure it's recognizable at a tiny size and keep file names clean and simple. With those details in place, click Deploy App. Lovable will handle the build and hosting for you. Within seconds, you should see a confirmation that your app is live, along with your new URL. Click the link to open the site in a fresh tab and do a quick pass. Load your main pages, test a couple of buttons, and confirm the favicon and metadata look right. If you don't see changes immediately, try a hard refresh. That's it. Your app is live on the web. Bookmark the URL, share it with your audience, and remember, you can return to the editor, make improvements, and hit publish again anytime.